Hand sanitizer best practices. Practice 1, true or false? Hand sanitizers eliminate all types of germs. A, true. B, false. Answer, B, false. Fact, hand sanitizers can quickly reduce the microbes on your hands, but they do not eliminate all types of germs. Soap and water are more effective than hand sanitizers. Practice 2, choose the best option to fill in the space. If soap and water are not available, use an hand sanitizer. A, bleach-based. B, soap-based. C, alcohol-based. Answer, C, alcohol-based. Fact, alcohol-based hand sanitizers, which don't require water, are an acceptable alternative when soap and water aren't available. Practice 3. Answer the question. When you use alcohol-based hand sanitizer, make sure it contains alcohol. A, at least 30%. B, at least 60%. C, only 90% or higher. Answer, B, at least 60%. Fact. Sanitizers with an alcohol concentration between 60 to 95% are more effective at killing germs than those with a less alcohol concentration. To use hand sanitizer correctly, rub it all over the surfaces of your hands until your hands are dry. A, true. B, false. Answer, A, true. Fact, rub sanitizer on your hands until your hands are dry. But remember that it will only reduce the growth of germs. It will not kill them outright. Practice 5. Answer the question. Scented sanitizers are okay to use only if they A, use organic ingredients. B, contain antibodies. C, smell good. D, are 60 to 90% alcohol-based. E, all of the above. Answer, D, are 60 to 90% alcohol-based.